Coming to the next topic, that is the system testing. So system testing is nothing but we have done the testing on entire system. So the test that you are going to made on entire system is a system testing. The system testing, here the system as a whole is tested. System as a whole is tested to uncover requirement errors. Means still any uncover requirement errors are there. So the test that is made on complete entire whole system is system testing. And this system testing verifies that all system elements work properly. It is going to check whether all the system elements are work properly and that overall system function and performance has been achieved or not. So this is a main use of this system testing. The system testing is going to verify all the system elements work properly or not, and also it concentrate on overall system functions, performance, and that has been achieved or not. Now let us see the different types of system testing. Different types. The first one is alpha testing. So what is alpha testing? Alpha testing, it is carried out by the test team within the developing organization. That is alpha testing. Actually, we are running the test on the whole system. So that I already said. So here, what is the one type of system testing is alpha testing. That what it means? Alpha testing means the test is carried out by the test team within the development organization. So within the development organization, one test team was there. Those team are going to test the system. Means the whole system is testing only the test team, that too within the organization, developing organization. So that is alpha testing. So whenever you ask about what is alpha testing, testing will be done within an organization by a specific test team. That is alpha testing. Means it is not tested by the other people, outside people. Only in the internal organization, means the developing organization company, there is have a test team. Those people are going to test the system. That is alpha testing. Now coming to the next testing. Next type of testing, that is beta testing. The second is beta testing. So where this beta testing will be done? The whole system has to be tested. Beta testing, it is performed by a selected group of friendly customer. So instead of the organization people or instead of the testers in any developing organization, this beta testing is nothing but it is performed by the complete system is going to perform by selected group of friendly customers. Means the other people, other customers who are friends to you. Okay, so you're trusted on them. Okay, whenever you trust on them, you just asking them, please test my product, is it properly working or not. Means you are just giving different ideas, different views of different people. Means whenever you check your system, you see that it is everything is okay. But if another people, different other people which are not involved in that product, if they are operating, they will see what the problem in that. So that's why in the system testing, while if you want to deploy the product, if you want to deliver your complete product, you are going to test in different ways. That is alpha testing, beta testing, and next one is acceptance testing. So this acceptance testing is nothing but it is only the customer who is going to take the product, that person is going to test. It is performed by customer to determine whether to accept or reject the delivery of system. So this is a test done by the done by the customer itself. In the system testing, another type of testing is the acceptance testing. So these all testing has to be executed. So whenever all the testing cases are satisfied, then the product is a very good working stage, good working stage. Here in the acceptance testing, it is performed by the customer. He is going to determine whether he has to accept or reject the delivery of system. If there is no errors, he is ready to accept. And if still there are some bugs are there, okay, if some bugs are arise, then he rejects the delivery of the system and he waits some more days to take the system. Only he rejects the delivery of a system, not the entire system. So that is the acceptance test. And the last type of system testing was performance testing. So what is this performance testing? It is carried out to check whether the system meets the non-functional requirements identified in the SRS document. So the performance testing is nothing but it is just carried out to check whether the system meets the non-functional requirements identified in the SRS document. Not only the functional requirement, if it also has to meet the non-functional requirements which are specified in the SRS document. Whether it is meeting that or not, that has to be tested. That test is called as a performance testing. So these are the different types of system testings. Alpha testing. So alpha testing is done by the people who are carried out the test team within the developing organization, and the beta testing will be done by the friendly customers, and the acceptance testing will only the person who is going to take the product, the customer itself is doing the testing, that is acceptance testing. And the performance testing is completely based on whether it meets all the functional and non-functional requirements that are used in the SRS document or not. That will be done by the performance testing. Thank you.